Let's write the letter G that we will learn today.
How?
Let's write the uppercase letter G with light green crayon.
Ah!
Uppercase G. Let's write it 3 more times along the dotted line. G. G. Uppercase G. Very good. This time, let's write the lowercase letter G with a blue crayon.
Ah!
Lowercase G. Let's write along the dotted lines 3 more times. G. G. Lowercase G. Good job. It's a fun puzzle.
Wow!
Shall we put the puzzle pieces together one by one?
How?
First, apply liquid glue to the area where you want to place the puzzle piece.
Wow! With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
Very good. Green puzzle piece.
Wow!
Yellow puzzle piece. Orange puzzle piece. Red puzzle piece. Purple puzzle piece. Pink puzzle piece.
Ah!
Blue puzzle piece. Sky blue puzzle piece. Great job! Let's find the uppercase letter G. Uppercase G.
Ah!
Let's find the lowercase g. Lowercase g. Great job! Lion, elephant, goat, goose, giraffe. Let's find out which animal starts with the letter G. That's right! Found it! That's right! G is for goat. G is for goose. G is for giraffe.
Ah!
Great job! What letter is it? Let's connect the lowercase letters A to Q to see what letters they are.
Ah!
Lowercase a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, L, M, N, O, P, Q. It's a lowercase g. Let's write the letter G. Lowercase g.
Ah!
Shall we cut it with scissors following the shape of the letters? Lowercase g. Great job!